Mom, it is very hot today.
Yes, it is very hot.
The fan is on. That feels good.
Yes, sit and relax.
Mom, the light is off.
Yes, the power is gone.
The fan stopped.
Yes, there is a power cut.
Mom, should I check the switch?
Yes, please check.
The switch is on, but there is no light.
Okay, use your phone torch.
Mom, I will light a candle.
Okay, be careful.
It is very quiet now.
Yes, let us sit and wait.
Mom, do we always need electricity?
Yes, we use it every day.
Fan, light, phone?
Yes, we depend on it a lot.
Mom, I hear people outside.
Yes, everyone has no power.
Is there power in your house?
No, there's no power here.
Mom, the light is on.
Yes, the power is back.
The fan is running again.
That feels good.
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
Me too.